Yeah. Yeah.
Perfect. So, how is it going? How is the day so far? How was the morning?
Uh, okay.
Okay. Okay. So, Gargi, you usually go for walk every day?
Yes, I've decided to go for a walk every day since like past 10 days or so, and I've been able to continue that thanks to
Wow.
weather as well.
Perfect.
Awesome.
So as
Weather,
it
but
got little late, so if I keep going home, I will miss half of the session. So I thought it's better to sit here in the park and attend it.
right. Just a second. Huh? Hello. Yes. Okay. Sorry. So, Gargi, you were saying that you are able to maintain consistency, right? Sorry, my.
No, we can hear you, Vishali.
But I was not able to hear anything actually. Just a second. Yes. Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Okay. Yes. So, Gargi, yes, you were saying something?
Yes. Excuse, excuse me.
Let's see.
Thank you. I was able to maintain going for walks every day. So I have continued it.
That's what I was about to say. More than the weather, it's your appreciation that consistently you could do that for last 10 days.
Yes. Yes.
So,
And it
big
definitely
applaud
makes
for
me
that.
feel better. So I'm not trying to maybe even ऑन डेज की मला असं नाही आज कंटाळा आहे आज नको आज काहीतरी खूपच ऊन आहे किंवा असं तरी मी स्वतःला पुश करतेय समहाव
Perfect.
कारण
Actually,
त्या
that is the way. Physical health is very much like essential, isn't it?
हो
काहीही करायचं असेल तरी फिजिकली इफ यू आर फिट तर काही करू शकता तुम्ही. सो दॅट
हो
इज
आणि
व्हॉट
एक थोडं आउटडोर ऍक्टिव्हिटी होते थोडं काय म्हणतो ना नेचर मध्ये जाऊन थोडे लोकही दिसतात त्याचा पण एक खूप वेगळा इफेक्ट येतो घरात बसून ते सोशल आयसोलेशनचं फारच जाणवतं म्हणजे सगळं अंगावर येतं की अरे बापरे काय हे आपण एकटेच आहोत कोणीच बोलायला नाहीये मग आणखीनच आपले विचार
परफेक्ट.
हे व्हायला
येस,
लागतात
आय अग्री. Perfect. Very nice. Keep it up.
थँक्यू
So yes, today we are going to work on like what we discussed yesterday that all emotions are my habits, right? So taking it forward that now we have understood this. Now how to change that? Okay? How to upgrade that? How to take
ओके
it forward? Okay? So
ओके
have you made the list? Have you monitored your emotions?
ऍक्च्युली काल नाही जमलंय मला मला एकदा
Okay.
आठवलेलं पण नाही जमलं की ते करायचं राहून गेलंय मी आज
Okay.
करते
Okay. Supriya, you are doing that, right? So have you observed any pattern, Supriya?
So um like any trigger kind of definitely like immediately tries to attack and you go down that negative spiral. So
Right.
catching it at the right time and calming myself is the challenge, which but I think
I
I'm
understand.
becoming more aware of that hey, now if I don't do so, if I just let it flow with my natural reaction, this is going to go down, this thing, right? Just catching
Correct,
it
correct,
over
correct.
there. Yeah. Yeah.
See, Supriya, yesterday I have shared one Excel sheet. You must have seen that, right? On the WhatsApp group, I have shared that.
Yeah, I just
So that
just
is,
saw it before this call. Yeah.
yes, so that is emotional habit tracker. So what you are doing currently, what I had told you that just reminder, okay? Now, what I want you to do is note down your emotions. You can do it at that point of time, or you can do it in the evening by introspecting
Mm-hmm.
की आज साधारण या वेळेला माझा मूड कसा होता.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Was there any incident? Was there any specific thing? Or I was happy, I was calm, I was relaxed. Positive as well as negative. And
Right.
you have to note it down.
Right.
Okay.
Right.
Write it
Okay.
in words.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Just not like I was happy, I was calm. I know that, but I want you to write it down specifically.
Okay. But in the writing, do you just want words like whatever emotions we were feeling? Like
Yes,
an
only emotions.
example? Right.
It is just the emotion. I'm not bothered about what incident it was or what was the trigger and all that.
Right.
How did you feel at that point of time?
Right.
Okay.
Right.
Why
Every
we are
2
doing
hours, right?
this? Yes.
Every 2 hours.
Every 2 hours. Yes. So
Okay.
as I told you, कि right now also I can make you do that. But let's not spend this time for that. कि 5 मिनिट शांत डोळे मिटून बसा. Think about your day and write it down. If you don't do it today, I'm very sure next session I'm going to do that. I'll make you do that
Okay.
like right here in front of me.
Okay.
But I believe that you will take it seriously and you will do
Yes.
it. Otherwise, it's of no use. त्याने काय फरक पडतो, why it is important, ते तेव्हा लक्षात येईल जेव्हा तुम्ही ते कराल. अनलेस
Sure.
यू डू इट, तोपर्यंत ते खूप छोटंसं काहीतरी वाटणार आहे की अरे याने काय होणार आहे. बट आय विल टेल यू काय होणार आहे आणि त्याचं पुढे काय करायचंय. You must have seen there are 4 columns, right, in the sheet. Right now, I have told you only first 2 columns, positive emotions and negative emotions,
Yes.
just that. And I won't mind if you do it every day for next 2-3 days. Now, today is Thursday. We will be meeting on Monday.
Okay.
रोज लिहिलं तरी चालेल. एव्हरी डे काय असतं का साधारण तोच पॅटर्न रिपीट होतोय. वॉट एव्हर इट इज. ओके. Or this day, any specific trigger was there because of which I was bit in like low frequency. That's fine. This day was perfectly fine. I was very happy and I was very energetic. Fine. Write it down. Okay. Please note it. Please do it. And then we
Okay.
will discuss what we have to do. You will observe something in that. We will analyze that.
Okay.
Okay. And honestly, I'm telling you, this is a
Okay.
part of coaching. But I'm doing this here because we are a small group and I really want to pass on that value. So please
Yes.
take it seriously and let's take it to the next level.
Okay.
Okay? Yes.
Okay.
So
Sure.
whatever you are sharing, I know you are getting those results. You are happy की कुछ काहीतरी change दिसतोय. But I really want to take it forward to the next level की काहीतरी solid achieve केलंय. Okay. And
Okay.
I'm equally or more than excited for that. But unless we do it, we'll not be able to see it. So let's work on that.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. So today let's work on the beautiful frequency of upgrading my standards, upgrading my emotional standards. Okay. So of course we are going to do Ho'oponopono and we are going to do subconscious programming for I'm ready to upgrade my standards. Okay. Again, as I'm telling you that we are going to do Ho'oponopono for negative emotion, please work on that same emotion which you are experiencing. Every time I ask you, I have seen that is the same answer I'm getting. Gargi will tell about, say, some kind of uncertainty or anxiety. Supriya is telling about some kind of self-doubt. Yes? So I think these are the patterns which we have observed. Or Supriya is mentioning about getting overwhelmed. Lot of things are going on. Yes? Struggling to find peace in between. Yes? So this is the
Yes.
pattern. Have you seen that? You have attended sessions with many people now.
Yes.
Have you seen that? साधारण एक व्यक्ती तीच गोष्ट शेअर करते किंवा तीच इमोशन सांगते. आज काय वाटतंय तर तेच वाटतंय. Have you observed that? Not only for yourself, for others as well. That it is a pattern. Someone who is in deep regret will always talk कि अरे I'm regretting my decision or I have some kind of guilt. Have you observed that pattern with every individual? And
Yes.
believe me, you can do this analysis for your family members. Do it for your husband. Do it for your, आता गार्गी तुझा मुलगा खूप छोटा आहे, पण Supriya, you can do it for your daughters. And you will observe that it's a pattern. Believe me, my 10 years old, like about to be 10 years old son, but we do it for him also. And consciously as a parents, we have started working on this. की एक जो रिस्पॉन्स असतो ना कुठल्याही गोष्टीचा तो साधारण त्याच लूपमध्ये असतो. So how to change that? For that you have to get aware. एक्झॅक्टली काय पॅटर्न आहे माझा. तो जोपर्यंत समजणार नाही तोपर्यंत तो ब्रेक कसा करणार. Are you
बरोबर.
getting it? So now I will say that you have understood that pattern. or we know it, but we are not ready to accept it as a habit or accept it as a pattern. But now, if you connect those dots in each incident, whichever incident is bothering you, whichever, like whoever, person gya kiwa situation gya, whatever it is, you will see that it is same kind of personality which comes out. If someone is angry, angry. If someone is taking stress, stress. आपण मराठीत म्हणतो ना की मूळचा स्वभाव जात नाही किंवा असं काहीतरी. तो मूळचा स्वभाव म्हणजे काय, तर त्या पर्सनचे काही संस्कार असतात, ते पॅटर्न्स असतात. Isn't it? ते जात नाही किंवा ते तसेच असतात. ते चेंज करता येतात का, तर येस, सायंटिफिकली प्रूव्हन की ते चेंज करता येतात. बट यू हॅव टू वर्क कॉन्शियसली ऑन दॅट. ओके, अँड बिलीव्ह मी, यू गो टू एनी स्पिरिच्युअल कोर्स, प्रत्येक जण हेच सांगतो, प्रत्येकाचा वे वेगवेगळा आहे. What aligns with you the best is the best thing for you to do. Have you seen that? I'm very sure you must be following some spiritual group or spiritual काहीतरी तुम्ही करत असाल. कोणी गीता वाचत असेल, कोणी, सगळीकडे हेच आहे. आणि दिस इज द ट्रूथ. प्रत्येकाचा सांगण्याचा वे वेगळा आहे किंवा करून घेण्याचा वे वेगळा आहे. आर यू गेटिंग इट? So ultimately, we are working on our spiritual growth as well. While we are working on these small activities in daily life, ultimately we are evolving. Getting it? And are you able to relate to it, what I'm talking about?
Yes.
Yes?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, so relax your energy, sit straight. Gargi, as you said that you are in the park, I would suggest you to sit on a bench or somewhere, but be
Yes.
comfortable.
Yes.
Good?
Oh.
And let's start with, as I told you, we will work on the readiness to upgrade my standards. Okay? So relax your energy, back straight, straight. And I think music will be loud, right? Let me know if the music and my voice both are okay.
Yeah, it's good.
Yes, perfect. Sit straight. Relax your energy. Complete focus on your body. You can keep your hands in Dhyana Mudra, joining your index finger and thumb. Keep your hands rested on your thighs, in your lap. Just be in this moment. Focus on the music. Complete focus on the music. Listen to the music. Now take a deep breath. And exhale. Take a deep breath on the count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold, hold, hold. And release on the count of 4. Release through your mouth. One more time. Breathe in through your nose. In, hold, 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 and release on the count of 4. 3, 2, and 1. Focus on your breath. Keep on breathing deeply. Now we are going to chant Omkar. So breathe in, and as you exhale, chant Omkar. Deep breath in. Om. When you chant Omkar, make it a sound of A, U, and Ma. Ma being the longest sound. One more time, take a deep breath. Feel those vibrations in your forehead, around your third eye chakra. Feel that beautiful energy. Now keep your hands on your heart. Deeply connect with your heartbeat. Feel your heartbeat. Literally, physically feel your heartbeat. Feel that connection with the heart. Complete focus on your heartbeat. Feel that stability, strength in your body. Keep on breathing deeply, and as you exhale, release all the stress, past pain, and any stagnant energy. Just release, feeling more and more light. Set a powerful intention. I am open to releasing all that no longer serves me. Tell to yourself, take that intention. I am open to release all that no longer serves me. I choose to upgrade my subconscious mind. I am stepping into the higher version of myself. I am stepping into the higher version of myself. Say these words, feel these words, and whatever image pops up, whatever thoughts come up, let them come, let them flow. I am stepping into a higher version of myself. Let that intention be very deep. And identify what needs healing. See a soft golden light glowing in your heart. Let it expand, filling through your chest, radiating warmth through your whole body. That heart chakra, radiating that energy, that warmth throughout your body. And now allow a person, situation, or emotion that needs healing to arise. Any emotion that needs healing. It may be some memory or any limiting belief or any emotion like guilt, anxiety, resentment, anger, any kind of fear, uncertainty. Let that emotion arise. Set it clearly, see it clearly before you in your energy field. Let's acknowledge this pain and take responsibility for this energy. Say, I am sorry for holding on to this emotion for so long. I am sorry for any harm I have caused, knowingly or unknowingly. Understand that holding on to this emotion has caused some challenges. Say, I am sorry. I am sorry for believing I was unworthy of love. I am sorry. Visualize that beautiful healing light expanding and embracing the situation with compassion. Deep breath in and release. Now let's offer forgiveness for releasing the past. Say, please forgive me. Please forgive me for carrying this burden. Please forgive me for the times I doubted myself. Please forgive me for not allowing myself to fully heal before. Imagine a soft wave of healing light washing over you, dissolving all tension and guilt. Please forgive me. Take a deep breath and let it go. Thank you. Express gratitude for all the lessons and beautiful healing process. Say with appreciation, thank you for the lessons this experience has brought me. Thank you for the opportunity to heal and grow. Thank you, my dear body, for carrying me through every challenge. Thank you. Feel gratitude filling your heart, lifting your energy. Deep breath in and release. Now send unconditional love to yourself, the situation, and those involved. Say with deep sincerity, I love you and I choose peace. I love you and I choose freedom. I love you and I choose to release the past. I love you. Visualize your entire body glowing and with golden light and radiating love and forgiveness. I love you. Take a deep breath and release. Saying it with deep sincerity, I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. And now that you have released all that old energy, it's time to upgrade your subconscious mind and align with a higher frequency. Declare to upgrade, say it with conviction. It's time to upgrade my standards. It's time to upgrade my emotional standards. I upgrade how I think, what I believe, and how I feel. I no longer focus on problems. I focus on raising my frequency. I am stepping into new level of abundance, peace, and power. I am ready to upgrade. Say it with conviction. I am ready to upgrade my emotional standards. Keep your eyes closed and see yourself as a highest version of you. In your highest version, how do you look like? How do you walk, talk, or carry yourselves? What emotions do you have? Peace, confidence, joy, abundance. Feel those emotions. See yourself as a highest version of you. Now visualize a golden light entering through the top of your head, pouring down through your entire body. This light is embedding new beliefs into your subconscious mind. It is reprogramming your emotions, thoughts, and energy field. Literally see that light, feel that light entering from the top of your head. It is erasing old limitations and upgrading you to a higher state of being. Literally feel that energy activating every cell in your body. Feel your heart expanding, mind becoming clearer, and your soul aligning with its true power. Feel that divine alignment, that divine connection. You are no longer the same. You are upgraded. Tune in that upgraded version, your highest frequency, and say it loudly. I am ready for this next level. I am ready for this next level. I am embracing a higher frequency. I am unstoppable. I am unstoppable. Take a deep breath. And release. Let's lock this transformation. Keep your hands on your heart. Feel its gentle, steady rhythm. Bring smile on your face. A deep, knowing smile. Inhale abundance and exhale that old version of you completely. Say softly to yourself, thank you. I love you. I am upgraded. Let this new state fully integrate into your being. Just pause here for a moment and absorb that energy of upgraded version of yourself. Let's anchor this moment. Let's anchor this version of yourself with any physical gesture. Say you are making your fist, or you are making a dhyana mudra, or you are raising your arm, or keeping hand on your heart. Just anchor it with physical gesture or that smile on your face. So whenever you do this gesture, it should remind you of your higher version. Decide that physical anchor for yourself to remind you of this upgraded version, of this high frequency. Let this fully integrate. Relax your energy. Bring your attention back to your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Take a deep breath and release. Start rubbing your arms. Rub faster. Spread that energy all across your body, heart. Gently open your eyes. Tell me, how was it? How did you feel?
Good. Relaxed
Yes.
and yes.
So, Gargi, what is your anchor? What is your anchor gesture?
I kept hand on my heart.
Okay, so whenever you keep your hand on your heart, it reminds you of,
My higher version or a higher
yes, right.
yeah.
I am very sure you must have seen lot of things की upgraded version म्हणजे काय असेल in terms
No.
of health, relationships. I'm very sure it happens. Okay, so just anchor that whenever you keep your hand on your heart, it's like reminder. Okay, so whenever you feel low or whenever you can see that something you're going down on emotional level, just keep your hand on your heart.
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Yes. Yes, Supriya. What is the anchor for you?
Yeah, I kept my right hand on my heart and then I tapped my left hand on top of it. That's my
Perfect.
anchor.
So you when you do this, it's like reminder.
Right.
Okay?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes. Perfect. Yes, Saroj, I think you joined very late, right?
Yeah, I almost joined like very late just now.
Oh, okay. Okay. Anyways, no problems. Have you done that emotional tracking?
I'm doing it. It's just that it's not on the paper yet.
Okay. I
Yeah.
want it to be on the paper. Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. So I think that's all. Anything else? Or we
Uh,
are going to stop here?
Usually, do you have any other class in the night, like around 8:30 CST?
And now I have paused evening sessions because I'll be traveling to India on 28th of May. So
Okay.
one
Okay.
session is possible, but two sessions, otherwise that trip will not be. And I'm going after 2 years, so I don't want to be very busy.
Okay.
So
Okay.
this one I'm going to continue, but
Okay.
I'll not start the other batch till the time I come back.
Sure. Sure.
Okay. Okay. So that's all for today. But Saroj, I'll share the recording link for this. Okay.
Yeah. Please. Thank you so much.
You can
Yeah.
go through.
Yeah.
Okay. That's all for
Hey,
today. Thank you so much.
hey,
Yes.
Vishali, I have one question.
Yes.
So when you say, right, when we say, we bring up whoever is the person or whatever in front of us, right, and we say to forgive, right? So I'm not able to do that, right? I'm able to, like,
I
it took
know.
me a long time, and first when I heard about it, I felt like I will never
Why
be
should
able to
I?
do that. About thanking that person, but today I'm able to thank that person very easily because I can see the change in me and I can see that, whatever was the situation, right? But that led my development, right?
Perfect. Okay.
Yes.
So, Supriya, one important thing here, whatever we are practicing, so you could forgive that person. That is the best part of it. Okay. That is how it should be. But whatever we are practicing here, as I always tell you, when you say I'm sorry, it's not about the blame. It's not for, like, it's not that I'm doing something wrong. That's why I'm saying sorry. Saying sorry to my inner self because I felt something negative. Because of that, my inner self got disturbed.
Mm-hmm.
Are you getting it? So,
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
whenever you are saying sorry, it's not really for the other person, but it's
Mm-hmm.
for yourself. It's for your inner self. Ki I
Because it
let,
disturbed my equilibrium.
yes,
Okay.
exactly.
Okay.
So, as I have told you that story of Dr. Yulen, he was not saying sorry to each and every criminal. He was saying
Mm-hmm.
sorry to himself. Ki because of this, I have created this negativity in me and around me, that environment.
Mm-hmm.
You're getting it? So in Ho'oponopono, the main funda or principle is you are working on yourself.
Right.
So
Okay.
understand that. So I know that most of the people who are struggling in any ways with respect to relationships, they have that. And it is like ego, जो प्रत्येकाचाच असतो.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you accept it or don't accept it. Sometimes it is, अरे माझी काही चूक नाहीये, मी का करू? Gargi might be able to relate to this. Earlier also people have shared this. Gargi, you remember?
हो
Earlier participants, की अरे सॉरी कसं म्हणायचं?
हो
But yes,
आय
at
नो.
the end, same person had shared की अरे हां, आता ते लाईट वाटतं की yes, I can say sorry.
मी
Saying
याविषयी
sorry.
माझा एक काय म्हणतो एक्सपिरियन्स शेअर करू शकते की एक साधारण 4-5 वर्षांपूर्वी माझं आणि माझ्या सासूबाईंचं असं म्हणजे त्या मला खूप टोचून बोलायच्या आणि खूप लागायचं की म्हणजे पर्टिक्युलरली फॉर की मी इथे येऊन काही करू शकले नाहीये इन टर्म्स ऑफ जॉब आणि एज्युकेशन. त्यांचे
Okay.
रिलेटिव्ह जे कोणी त्यांचे भाचर वगैरे आहेत इथे भाच्या वगैरे ते सगळे येऊन इथे इंजिनियर होते, MS केले, त्यांना चांगले जॉब लागले, फलाना आणि असं तसं आणि खूप हर्टफुल बोलायचा, खूप त्रास व्हायचा मला. आणि तेव्हापासून मी थोडं बोलणं त्यांच्याशी कमी केलं, बंद केलेलं ऑलमोस्ट फॉर अ टाइम बिंग, कारण ते मला खूप त्रास होत होता त्याचा. आणि त्यांनी काही मोटिवेशन शून्य मिळत होतं, मदत काहीच झाली नाही, कधी त्या मदतीला आल्या पण नाहीत. आणि हा सगळ्या ह्याच्यात इतका मला त्रास व्हायला लागला की बोलणं बंद करणं हाच म्हणजे मला नवऱ्यानेच सुचवलं. सो ते बंद केलं. आफ्टर अ व्हाईल ते सतत डोक्यात राहायचं आणि सतत तेच विचार. आय वॉज लिटरली ट्रॅप्ड इन दोज थॉट्स की मला बाहेरच पडता येत नव्हतं, तो विचारच घालवता येत नव्हता. आणि आफ्टर अ व्हाईल एक दिवस असं वेळ आली की नाही, मला हे विसरायचंय, हे मला विसरायचंय आणि मी त्यांना माफ करतेय माझ्यासाठी. त्या
Correct.
जे काही वागल्या बोलल्या त्यांचं त्यांच्यापाशी, मला हे विसरायचं कारण मला आयुष्यात पुढे जायचंय, रोजचा दिवस जगायचा आहे. आणि त्यावेळेला ते समहाऊ आधी म्हणजे मी इतके एका दिवसात म्हणजे हा एका दिवसात घडलेला फरक आहे. पण त्या दिवसापर्यंत येईपर्यंत असं होतं की मी आयुष्यात त्यांना माफ नाही करणार आहे वगैरे, म्हणजे इतक्या गोष्टी घडल्या
करेक्ट.
की हे नाहीच, कोणी मी विसरूच शकत नाही टाईप असं. आणि एका
येस.
दिवसात असं झालं की आता हे बर्डन इमोशनल इतकं होतंय की नाही, मला हे मी सोडून देतेय, ते जे काही वागल्या बोलल्या माफ करते. आणि सिन्स देन मी बऱ्यापैकी ते विसरून सुद्धा, त्यांना तो भाग विसरून सुद्धा त्यांच्याशी म्हणजे बोलू शकते किंवा शकले.
करेक्ट.
आणि आता सुद्धा अशी म्हणजे मी त्यांना, म्हणजे आता मी ते बऱ्याच गोष्टी विसरलेत, त्याला काळही होऊन गेलाय. आणि आता सुद्धा असं होतं की म्हणजे ठीक आहे, मी हे सोडून सुद्धा त्यांच्याशी जमवून घेऊ शकीन, विसरू शकीन वगैरे, इथपर्यंत माझी
Exactly.
थोडी आलेली
So
आहे.
ultimately, in this incident, what happened is the other person behaved what is her pattern, right?
येस.
Can you change that?
नो.
पण प्रोसेस मध्ये काय झालं? हाऊ मेनी इयर्स और हाऊ मच टाइम डिड यू वेस्ट?
अ
जो की
लॉट.
जी एनर्जी,
So-
जे एफर्ट्स तू दुसरीकडे
Yes.
लावले असतेस तर तू काय अचीव्ह केलं असतंस? ओके,
हो,
सो प्रॅक्टिकल लेवलला तर दिस इज द फॅक्ट. आणि इमोशनली काय झालं? आय एम शुअर इट गॉट रिफ्लेक्टेड इन युअर हेल्थ, इट गॉट
Yes, a lot.
रिफ्लेक्टेड इन युअर रिलेशनशिप विथ युअर हजबंड. इट
Yes.
गोज विदाउट सेइंग.
येस.
येस. सो दिस इज हाऊ एव्हरीथिंग इज कनेक्टेड. त्याच्यामुळेच कधीतरी मुलावर पण चिडचिड झाली असेल.
हो हो. नाही,
Yes.
आणि तेव्हा तर म्हणजे माझे मूल व्हायचं पण होतं, त्या काळात
Okay.
घडलेल्या गोष्टी आहेत. पण
But it happens.
अफेक्ट मी ड्युरिंग प्रेग्नन्सी.
I
म्हणजे
know.
तेव्हाही मला ह्या विचारांचा त्रास व्हायचा आणि सगळं. पण ते थोडं आता ह्या लेवलला येऊन मी पोहोचले की ठीक आहे, त्यांचा असेल व्ह्यू काही, मी सोडून देऊ शकते. मला
Correct.
शेवटी जे जमेल तेच मी करणार आहे. आणि मला आहे त्या ह्याच्यातही जगलं पाहिजे, स्वतःला स्वीकारून आणि त्यांनाही स्वीकारून की ही माझी रिअलिटी आहे.
Correct.
हे कुठेतरी पण त्याला वेळ लागतो, हेही मी सांगू शकते. एका दिवसात होणारी गोष्ट नाहीये. ह्याला मला खूप
पण
वर्ष
इट
लागली.
इज विथ प्रॅक्टिस. नाही, जोपर्यंत तुला माहिती नव्हतं तोपर्यंत तुला खूप वर्ष लागली. बट वन्स
हो.
यू अंडरस्टँड, वन्स यू एक्सपिरियन्स. आता
हो.
दुसरी सिच्युएशन अशी आली तर तू काय करशील? विल यू टेक सो मेनी इयर्स? नो, नॉट ऑफकोर्स नो. आता जर कोणी असं त्रास द्यायला लागलं तर तू काय ठरवशील की अरे ह्याच्यात मलाच त्रास होतो, मला माहिती आहे. नाव दिस इज अ लर्निंग फॉर मी. आय हॅव टू
हो.
लर्न दॅट. If I learn that and go ahead, and that is what we are saying, ki thank you for teaching me this lesson. Every situation, every person is coming to teach you something. And unless you learn that lesson, it will, तू पिच्छा सोडणार नाही ते. Take that input, go ahead, and you are sorted. So perfect. Forgiveness is very powerful, very powerful.
Yes, definitely, and it helps ourselves a lot.
Supriya, I hope it like cleared your question की sorry for ourselves, की मी मला डिस्टर्ब करून घेतलं.
हो, आणि हे सो मच सो मी म्हणू शकते की कुठेतरी या सगळ्या ह्याच्यात कदाचित माझं, आपलं जनरेशनल गॅप आहे ही, की ज्या प्रकारे आपली पिढी बोलते स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड आणि ते असं सगळं अगदी शुगर कोटेड ह्याच्यात असं करून आपल्याला ते जमणं अवघड आहे. आणि त्या ह्याच्यात माझ्याकडनंही त्या कदाचित कधी हर्ट झाल्या असतील तर आय एम सॉरी फॉर दॅट. आय फॉरगिव्ह हर. हे मी अगदी मनापासून म्हणते. सो ते पण म्हणजे मी ह्या एका रिलेशनशिप बद्दल हे म्हणू शकते. सो ते यायला तुम्हाला पण म्हणतेस तसं की प्रॅक्टिसच पाहिजे.
प्रॅक्टिस
can't
किंवा
spend these
एक
many
एक्सपिरियन्स ज्याच्यात तुम्ही ते लेसन म्हणून घेतलंय.
हा.
नाउ इट इज लाईक कार्व्ड फॉर यू, इजंट इट? आता हे लर्निंग आहे.
हो हो.
आता नेक्स्ट टाइम कोणी असं त्रास झाला कोणामुळे, तर तो त्रास होणार नाही ना. यू विल हॅव दॅट की आय नो, ओके, इट्स ओके, इट्स हर पॅटर्न, लेट हर डू व्हॉट एव्हर शी वॉन्ट्स.
हो.
ओके, ऍज आय हॅड टोल्ड सरोज ऑल्सो की कोणीतरी काहीतरी बोलतंय आणि आय एम गेटिंग डिस्टर्ब. तो त्या व्यक्तीचा स्वभाव आहे. माझ्यापर्यंत ते कसं पोहोचेल? सो आय टोल्ड हर दॅट ऍक्टिव्हिटी की जोकर. माझ्यापर्यंत ते जर तसंच पोहोचत राहिलं निगेटिव्ह, तर मी त्याच लूपमध्ये जाणार आहे. बट आय हॅव टू इंटरप्ट दॅट पॅटर्न. मी काहीतरी त्याला वेगळंच स्वरूप दिलं आणि इफ इट रिचेस टू मी इन डिफरंट वे, तर माझे रिॲक्शन काय असेल, तर माझं इमोशनल स्टेट काय असेल? दॅट इज मोर इम्पॉर्टंट.
Right.
Yes.
I just want to add one more thing, Rushali, like the exact experience and everything which Gargi went through, right? I also went through the same. And I used to practice the Ho'oponopo even before coming to this class. So I know about the Ho'oponopo and everything. And yes, it took me almost 2 years and everything with the same mother-in-law relationship. But I will tell you now, me and my mother-in-law are, I mean, we are so well connected with
Perfect.
everything is over, and she always like think positive about me. I also think positive about her, and even if she says something negative to me, I was like, it's okay, it's her pattern, the way you tell, right? The same way.
Correct. Correct. So it's not bothering you.
Yeah.
So now but that is what we want ultimately, right?
Yes.
रोजच्या दिवसाचा पीस हा महत्वाचा आहे.
Correct.
बाकी काही होऊ दे. Unless your day is peaceful, nothing works. Nothing is important. Yes. So that's all. And see you on Monday, not tomorrow. We'll be meeting on Monday now. Okay. Thank you so much. And see you on Monday. Take care. Love you all. Bye.
Thank you. Thanks. Bye.